what will be included in your courses when you book your class with us. So, of course, it's going to come with the sewing practice sheets. It's more than just circles, but it is the sewing practice sheets. You can get better at sewing until you're comfortable actually sewing on the wig caps. So this will come in the kit slash boxes. So of course our colors are pink and gold, and so it will come inside the box also with a small amount of developer. Okay, this goes with the bleach, so you will get a small amount. You're not getting the full size, no, but you're getting a small amount of bleach. You're getting a small amount of developer, and we use professional grade developer. You're going to get a small amount of blue shampoo or purple, depending on if you have black or 613 hair. A small amount of purple shampoo and like some travel size bottles. And then you're going to get a thing of toner also. You're going to get some pins because you need these to secure the lace. I do not like T-pins per se because they snag, so I love these, the straight safety pins. You're going to get some Sharpies. You're also going to get wig combs depending on what class you book. You're going to get needles, and you're going to get thread. You're going to get some combs, and that's about it. The reason why is because I'm going to leave the hair choice up to you. I do not supply the hair, or I do not supply the sewing machines. You will have to supply the sewing machines. Now, the in-person class with us, you don't have to bring a sewing machine because it will be a sewing machine at the class. The only thing you're going to take home with you is the done wig and your wig kit, but the sewing machine stays with me. But if we do over the phone class, you will have to purchase your sewing machine. So yeah, if you like this content, go ahead and like and follow so you can become a professional wig maker and hair extensionist, and you can learn more about the hair and wig industry. Bye.